Scattered plot and correlation coefficient is another item that shows up very often on your exam. So that's part of statistic. Let's see. A scattered plot of the data is shown in the diagram below. So here we can see is the heart rate after exercise, and here is heart rate before exercise. And that's how that dot happens. So that first dot means that that person before exercise, the heart rate was 60, and after exercise was just above 70. Okay. R is the correlation coefficient between the heart rate before exercise and the heart rate after exercise. So R means correlation coefficient. Basically, what that means in simple terms, it means is there a relationship, is there correlation between two numbers? That's all what it means between two different sets of data. Based on the diagram above, pick the value from the list below that is closest to R. Give a reason for your answer, and we have different options available to us. So we need a little bit of knowledge that has to do with correlation coefficient. So we could have, let me draw, we could have 5 actually situation that has to do with data. So let's say I have a data that is spread like that, and then I have another data that the dots, they are all scattered plot. Okay, that's the idea. They are scattered plot dots. And then another one here. And then we have one that the dots are kind of all over the shop. Okay, so when I'm looking at these dots, I can see, you know what, I can say they go up like that. Now here, I can definitely say they are going up like that. So both of them, they have a positive because they are going up correlation. This one is weak because kind of, and this one is strong because I can see it pretty clearly. So when our correlation between the dots is strong, when I can see that the line is forming, then I'm thinking about the number that is around +1. Now, when it is strong, it will be very close to 1, but when there is weak, will be a little bit further away. And then following the same logic, here I can say that I can see that it is going down, while here the dots clearly making a line going down. So again, that will be weak and that will be strong. And because they are going down, this is negative relationship. And therefore the value here will be around -1. So when there is strong, close to -1, when not that strong, therefore a bit further away. And then we have dots that, you know what, I don't know where they are going. So in this part, that is neutral, and that will be close to 0. So when I'm looking at my dots here, I can clearly see that there is a line. And pretty well I can see that, isn't it? So definitely it is positive and it is strong. So I'm looking at values somewhere closer to +1. So definitely not negative, not negative. So I have a choice between 0.3 and 0.9. And yes, 0.9 is much better. And how do we justify it? Like what I said, that we can clearly see that there will be a line. I can see a positive going up line with pretty strong relation between those dots. That's the reason.